Activity room. This is the second lesson plan, activity number 2. Let's go fishing. So the continental standard still applies as the first one, which is place value as well as understanding adding and subtracting with rounding. I'm so sorry. The cross curriculum would be ELA, as well as physical education and science. Right, and the objective of this lesson is that students in second grade will comprehend single digits by double digit math facts, adding and subtracting. Students will also operate mental math when adding and subtracting double digit by triple digit when adding and subtracting 10 or 100 to a given number, so 900 minus 100 or 10 plus 90 when analyzing equations based on unit cubes or numericals. So each student will have a whiteboard, and so they would be able to add or subtract the cue cards or the equations. Now, one thing that I should have changed is I should have put an equal sign right here. That I need to go back and change it. And hopefully students, by this point, we can also talk about, okay, what comes first, the hundreds or the tons? So how can we look at this cue card? So there's adding and subtracting. And we have our unit cubes again to help the students if they need an actual physical object. Now what students will do is they will get their worm, just tied into a ruler. Woo! And then they will read their cards are 13 minus 6 and they will fish it out. Of course, I would make it more sturdy, but just for the project right now, it's not as sturdy. There we go. Hopefully it picks it up. Yep. No. Well, the whole point is that if the answer is 5, the students can... Oh, it worked before. There we go. They'll be able to fish it out. Of course, you would want to make the worm more sturdy, and I would add more. I try to add a long piece so that when it does touch the first time, it does get it the first time, it will go up. So it did snap pretty well, the shake test. So I would just adjust that. All right, thank you. Oh, whoops. And I also forgot to mention that the assessment for this activity so the assessment for this is that students in second grade will be polled individually and they will be tested on their math facts. And they will be, and their grade will be recorded on the teacher's sheet.